guys, it's Bree. Welcome back to the channel. It has been exactly 1,271 days since I started working at the golf course. And if y'all don't know when that was, it was since October 2020. Yeah, I've done a couple videos here at the golf course, you know, on my TikTok, but excuse me, I've never done a YouTube vlog. And recently thinking about it, and I was just like, you know what, why not show y'all what I do in a day as a beverage cart girl. Guys, this lighting is not it. This is the cart fit. I'm gonna try to set it up at a good angle. This is the fit for today. Green top, cute little skirt. One time there was a guy that was like, you're wearing a tennis skirt. And I was just like, dude, how do you know the difference between a tennis skirt and a golf skirt, first of all? Secondly, it's still cute though, and I can wear it at the golf course, so leave me alone. Hey guys, can I get you anything? Yeah. Hello. Alright, we got a Diet Coke and a Snickers. I'm gonna show y'all what I do.
All the way over there.
Diet Coke. You want a cup ice?
No, not really.
No? Alright, let me get your Snickers.
Okay, that sounds good. So how's everything in your corner of the world?
Everything's going good.
That's what we like to hear.
Yeah. How about you?
Oh, real good. We went to the golf tournament, got on TV again with Nelly, and
thank you guys. He just got a Diet Coke and a Shiner, so I just have my clipboard and I just write down what they get. He wants it on his membership, so we're just gonna write that down. The guy got a Shiner Bock and he paid cash, so I put it on my cash sales right here. Definitely the easiest job ever. And don't get me wrong though, there's days where it's like so busy, you don't have a lot of that time, like free time. You doing okay? Can I get you anything? Good. Good. Alright, thank you. Can I get you anything? Thank you. I feel like I haven't found like a great spot for lighting, so I apologize, but I'm gonna show y'all the cart. This is her. No, I actually did wash her today. Usually she's really messy, but you can see the shine in the front. So this is the steering wheel. It is electric. I don't know what that thing is. I remember when I first started driving it, I thought it was a snake, and so it would freak me out every time. This is actually one of our old coworkers. She left it here, so I just like decided I'm gonna use it because I mean she left it, so oh well. Chips. I carry the snacks right next to me. Oh, hey guys. Good. And then I have my bottled water. Guys, I used to not carry any like bottled water like this. I used to be so freaking thirsty out here, and then finally I learned like, oh, I just need to bring my water. Stupid. Whenever you open, this is where, guys, I need to put ice in here. There's ice in the bottom, but it's kind of melted a little bit. But yeah, this is where my sodas are. I do keep like Bloody Mary mix, tonic, club soda, and like my Tito's here because that's the most alcohol that we sell. And then I have my ice and cups here. And then on this side, this is where I keep my beer. And then this is like all the rest of the shots. This is peanut butter jelly sandwich shots. This is mixers in here. And then there's like one or two people that get captain, so I always bring it out just in case they're here. Always people like, why is she recording her cart? Like, it's not all that, you know, but it is all that to me. To me it is. Okay, so there is someone on the tee box, but it doesn't look like they're going to shoot anytime soon because there's still people on their fairway. So I'm gonna keep on going. Hopefully he doesn't get mad. I have gotten yelled at before. Some of the golfers, they're really fun, but others are not, and they'll yell at you and complain about everything. Hello. Thank you. Guys, good. Thank you. And over here is our challenge hole. So you just try to make it across the pond over there. What can I get for you guys?
A couple of shots of back end.
You got it. I'll catch you on the back
I'm
now.
not drunk enough to give you 100 and say keep it, but I will be.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, I do.
You do. Okay.
We'll do it next time, huh?
Yeah,
What is what, number 9?
No, we're on 7.
7.
7.
You're out for the duration?
Yes, I'll see you on the back 9.
What's your
Okay.
name?
Brianna,
Brianna, Mark,
Yeah.
and Glenn.
Mark, and Glenn. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Hey guys.
Thank you.
I hate when they just drive past. Like, I wish they would stop. That way I could be like, oh, how are you? And then maybe, you know, they end up getting something, but you win some, you lose some, and that's okay. It's 2 in the afternoon. I started vlogging a little late. I didn't do like how I packed the car or anything, but I might do future videos on that. But for sure, like, memories, like, this is for memories. I want to like one day look back at this and be like, I remember I was a golf cart girl making my money. Let's see if this guy wants anything. Hi, how are you? See how they... There's those fun groups that just like get something from me just because I'm out here, you know, like, and I'm working, and they're really generous and nice, and they'll tip me, you know, for a cup of ice or something. I think that I said this before, but it is Wednesday. It's a pretty slow cart day Wednesdays. It starts picking up more on Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, on the weekends. But you know what? Every now and then, like a Wednesday will be popping. Okay, it is 4:15. Sorry, this is so freaking loud. 4:15, and I'm gonna go out on my last round. Usually each 9 takes about like 20 to 30 minutes depending on how busy it is, so I should finish around 5:30 and then be inside by like 5:45. So yeah, to end the day. So guys, I just finished my round and I'm gonna take all the product off of the cart. So fun. Okay, I just got all the products off of the cart and now I'm gonna plug it in. That way overnight it charges. There has been a time where I didn't plug it in, and so the next day it was dead all day and I had to let it charge for like a good bit. But we're not letting that same mistake happen again. Okay guys, so I did close my drawer and I'm out. I clocked out at like 5:45. So my total sales with cash and credit cards was around $200. My cash tips were $94, and then my credit card tips were like, I think only added up to $10. So total I made $104, but that doesn't count my hourly or the members gratuity that is added like after I charge on their account. So that's just like a rough estimate of what I made today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.